Control Alt Del J. Do Control Alt Del. You'll get Task Manager like this. Select Task Manager and you can clear all of them. మరి ఇప్పుడు ఎందుకు కనిపిస్తలేవు? వై ఆర్ ఆల్ దోస్ నాట్ విజిబుల్ నో? డిలీట్ చేసినా కాదు, ఓకే ఐ హ్యావ్ డిలీటెడ్ ఇట్, బట్ ఐ హ్యావ్ రీస్టార్టెడ్ మై మెషిన్. ఫ్రెష్గా రీస్టార్ట్ అయింది కదా, ఇప్పుడు పవర్ కట్ నుంచి ఇప్పుడే వచ్చినాం కదా మనం. సో మెమరీ ర్యామ్లో కదా ఉండేది. whenever you shut down or restart your machine, RAM is going back to normal again. So అందుకే క్లియర్ అయిపోయినాయి ఆ ప్రాసెస్లన్నీ. బట్ ఇన్ రియల్ టైమ్ కెన్ యూ డూ దిస్ రీస్టార్ట్ ఆన్ ది సర్వర్? నాట్ పాసిబుల్, చేయలేవు. యూ కెనాట్ డూ ఎనీ రీస్టార్ట్ అండ్ ఎనీ ఆఫ్ దట్ ఇన్ రియల్ టైమ్. సో దట్ ఈస్ వై యూస్ driver.quit without fail. ఆ కోడ్ ఉందో ఎగిరిపోయిందో. అబ్బో పర్లేదు, ఉంది. Okay, now next concept. Now that we have understood even parallel execution also, start implementing parallel execution wherever possible. Parallel execution implement చేయాలి ఎక్కడ కుదిరితే అక్కడ. wherever possible try to implement parallel execution without fail. Now moving forward, next assignment for you. Next assignment, ఏందా next assignment? What is that next assignment? The next assignment is like this. In your Orange HRM website, okay, Orange HRM website lo I want you to write a small method, navigation method. How to write that navigation method? If you put your cursor on company, it is giving you these options. Company is giving you 5 options. So if you want to navigate, what will you do? You'll first click on company, then you'll click on any of these options. Rather than doing like that, I want you to write a common method where in that method you should be passing a parameter. If you pass, let's say that method name is void a. In that method, if you pass the parameter as company ki careers, there is a careers option. I will pass careers as the parameter for that method. Automatically first it should click on company, then since I am saying careers, it should then click on careers dot click. Now next, if I give instead of careers, if I give about us, I'll say when I'm calling this method a of about us, then it should first click on company, then it should click on about us. ఎందుకంటే కంపెనీ క్లిక్ చేయండి నీకు about us రాదు కదా. Unless you click company, you will not get about us. See, like this, about us dot click, like this. So whatever I pass as the parameter in the company, it should automatically click on that. I should not be writing separate piece of code for clicking executive profiles, about us, press release, news articles, careers. 5 menu hai, there are 5 sub menu in that. There are 5 sub menu. I need not write 5 methods. With one method I should be able to navigate the entire company navigation. With one method I should be able to navigate the entire company navigation. Try to write the code like that. A code at the end. Try to write the code for that. Write a method where if I just give the parameter, I'll just give the parameter about us बोल के parameter देता मैं. It should automatically click on company, it should automatically click on about us or careers or whatever it is. Dynamic XPath. I'll tell you that concept dynamic XPath later, but let's see how you guys are able to manage it. तुम लोग कैसे संभाल रहे देखेंगे हम लोग. Let's see how you guys will be able to manage it. Understood the assignment or do you have confusion? समझ में आया confusion है assignment? సంక్రాంతి ఎద్దుల్లాగా బాగానే వస్తారా మీరు తలకాయలు అసైన్మెంట్లో రావు. संक्रांति के बैल की तरह मुंडी बहुत अच्छी तरह हिलाते तुम लोग, लेकिन असाइनमेंट नहीं आता मेरे को तुम लोगों से. ऐसा 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 संक्रांति जब तक बैल को बोलता हूँ नमस्कार करो, नीचे झुको, मुंडी हिलाओ बोल के, ऐसा हिलाते तुम लोग, लेकिन असाइनमेंट नहीं आता मेरे को तुम लोगों से. असाइनमेंट आना है मेरे को. डू द असाइनमेंट. ఏ నీ ఇష్టం, నువ్వు ఏమని వేసుకో, మౌజ్ ఓవర్ చేసుకో, కీబోర్డ్ ఓవర్ చేసుకో, ఏమని వేసుకో. ఐ డోంట్ మైండ్. ఆల్ ఐ వాంట్ ఈజ్ యూ టు కంప్లీట్ ది అసైన్మెంట్, దట్స్ ఇట్. ఓకే. ओके, राइट इट एज अ मेथड. फिर से तुम लोग मेन मेथड में टेस्ट एनोटेशन में पूरा लिखना शुरू कर दिए, पूरा तुम स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड रिजेक्ट करता मैं. आई विल रिजेक्ट इट स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड. Start implementing your parallel execution, start implementing your test annotations, start removing your main methods wherever possible. तुम लोग पूरा ऐसा शुरुआत से नहीं आने का. उत्तम स्टार्टिंग నుంచి మెయిన్ మెథడ్ పెట్టి పుట్టింగ్ ది మెయిన్ మెథడ్. ఓకే, वाइड ए. वो दिन गुजर गए अभी. those days are gone. So you should be writing the code properly as an automation engineer. तुम लोग अभी बच्चे नहीं हैं. You are no longer beginners in your automation. You guys are more than beginners in automation now. So you should be able to perform in the same way. ये 1000 को पहुंचता है बोल के मैं सोच रहा हूँ, but I don't think it will reach 1000. I don't think it will reach 1000 commits. Right now there are 635 commits only. I don't think this is going to reach 1000. देखना है. With your commits, with your pushes, will it reach 1000 or not? देखते हैं. We'll see. If you submit enough assignments, we'll be able to cross 1000. We'll be able to reach 900 to 1000 very easily. लेकिन एक दो लोग सबमिट करेंगे तो क्या होगा? What is the use of submitting if only 1-2 people are submitting it? You want a break in the assignments to submit the previous assignments? Let me know. I can give a break. लेकिन break देने के बाद भी I'm not getting assignments from majority of you. I'm not getting the assignments from majority of you. जो सबमिट कर रहे हैं वो कर रहे हैं, जो सबमिट नहीं कर रहे हैं घमंड ज्यादा हो गया तुम लोगों को. You became a little bit arrogant with all the knowledge that you have gained. उतारूंगा वो सब कुछ घमंड तुम लोगों से. I will make sure to remove all that attitude problem from your minds. Be careful. Submit the assignments. After traveling this far, after reaching this far, you should not be taking it easy. Now is the time to put more efforts, not to relax. कुछ ज़्यादा ही एटीट्यूड प्रॉब्लम बन गया ऑनलाइन लोगों में और ऑफलाइन लोगों में. देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ एटीट्यूड प्रॉब्लम. नाउ दैट आई स्टार्टेड टेलिंग दैट यू गाइस आर डूइंग वेल, कुमुलेट చేసినాయి ऑल ऑफ अ सडन. यू गाइस स्टार्टेड बिहेविंग एज इफ यू आर एक्सपर्ट्स. बेटा असाइनमेंट नहीं दिखेगा ना, अभी भी तुम्हारा गिटहब एक्सेस मेरे ही हाथ में. पूरा कोर्स होने के बाद आई विल गिव यू द गिटहब एक्सेस. ज़्यादा नाटक करे तो आई शुड सी द असाइनमेंट्स. ओके, తమ్ముడే పేకాటే. I should see the assignments. Okay, तुम क्लास को नक्को. I don't mind. Even if there are only 2 people in the class, I don't mind. Assignment तो आना ही है. If you are that talented, even without attending the class, you still can submit the assignment. Very good, no problem. Attendance is not mandatory for me. I am not like your college where I am going to ask for condonation if you have low attendance. No. Even if you are not attending the class and you can still submit the assignment, even if you are still the student number 1 in my class, I don't mind. Go ahead. You are on your own, I don't have a problem. But you are not attending the class, you are not submitting the assignments, बाद में आके मेरे को doubt है. I have doubts. You definitely do not have any right to ask doubts is what I feel. तुम assignment submit करेगा, then you will get some feedback, you will get some doubts, you will get some guidance from my side. Even if I am not giving you guidance, either internet will guide you from Stack Overflow or some other website. You are not doing anything. तो guidance कैसा मिलेगा तुमको? Where will you know how will you know your weaknesses? What are your strong points? What are your weak points? कैसे समझ में आएगा तुमको? And those who are submitting assignments should not take too much time. Every day you should be submitting assignments. ठीक है? जो बैल काम करता है उसको ज्यादा काम देते हैं. जो बैल काम नहीं करता उसको कैसे भी काम नहीं देते. మోసేదికే కదా బరువిచ్చేది, మోయనందుకే బరువెందుకు ఇయ్యరు. ఆబ్వియస్లీ పళ్ళున్న చెట్టుకే దెబ్బలు ఎక్కువ తాకుతాయి అంతే. దట్స్ హౌ ఇట్ విల్ బి. సో మేక్ షూర్ యు ఆర్ ప్రాక్టీసింగ్ బెటర్. See, I am very disappointed that there are only 50 branches. Firstly, there are only 50 branches. Out of 50, only 5 to 10 people or only 5 people at a maximum 7-8 people are submitting the assignments. That's it. Pura batch mein. Now I don't have a problem. But 6 months later or 2 months later, you will come back and say, sir, I want to join the batch once again. You are wasting your time. Time waste कर रहे तुम अपना. I don't have a problem. Ultimately, you will again go back to YouTube. फिर से YouTube पे पढ़ते तुम लोग जाके. YouTube पे वही కూర్చుంటావు మొత్తం. నేను అనేది ఏంటంటే, if you are not showing that interest in the class when I am asking you to do it in the class, what makes you think you will do it by sitting in front of YouTube? कब होगा तुम्हारा? तुम डेली क्लास ही अटेंड नहीं कर पा रहे हो, डेली असाइनमेंट्स ही नहीं कर पा रहे हो, यूट्यूब में तुम कैसा पढ़ोगे? हाउ विल यू लर्न फ्रॉम यूट्यूब? नॉट पॉसिबल फॉर यू टू लर्न फ्रॉम यूट्यूब. यूट्यूब फ्री है, no money charged in YouTube, but what is the dedication level for you? How dedicated are you going to be? Who is going to check your code? Who is going to give you feedback? Who is going to take your mock interview? Who is going to tell you all these kind of shortfalls? इसीलिए see, once the course is completed, I will not be available for you unless you come physically down to the classroom. నువ్వు క్లాస్ రూమ్కి వస్తేనే నేను దొరుకుతా నీకు. అదర్వైజ్ ఐ మైట్ గివ్ యూ మై ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్ డీటెయిల్స్ ఆల్సో. ఐ విల్ గివ్ యూ, बट सर तुम इंस्टाग्राम पे मैसेज में रिस्पॉन्ड करते? नहीं करता मैं. वेरी रेयर दैट आई एम गोइंग टू रिस्पॉन्ड टू यू ऑन इंस्टाग्राम, बिकॉज आई विल बी वेरी बिजी दैट आई विल नॉट इवन बी लुकिंग एट इंस्टाग्राम इवन इफ आई जेन्युइनली वांट टू. इट्स नॉट दैट आई डोंट वांट टू हेल्प यू, इट्स जस्ट दैट आई कांट हेल्प यू. मेरे को उतना बैंडविड्थ रहता नहीं है. फ्रॉम मॉर्निंग 5:30 till 11 at night I will be busy. 11 to 5:30 is my sleeping time. I will not be taking any one of your calls during that time. So जो कुछ भी है सुबह 5:30 से लेकर रात 11 बजे 9 बजे तक ही, 11 तक भी मैं नहीं देता, 9 बजे. आई हैव अ बैच एट 9 o'clock. सो वॉट एवर यू वॉन्ट टू आस्क यू कैन आस्क ड्यूरिंग दैट टाइम, बट आई एम स्टिल गोइंग टू रिस्पॉन्ड टू यू? डिपेंड्स. तो फिर देना ही क्यों है इमरजेंसी? इफ यू वॉन्ट टू मीट मी इन इमरजेंसी, either you can come back physically down to the classroom here in Amirpet in this building, or you can check with the admin where I will be, in which building I will be, in which room, in which floor I will be. You can come and meet me in that building, in that floor, if at all you want any assistance. But Slack पे message कर रहा हूँ, I am messaging you on Slack, I am messaging you on Instagram, you are not responding. It's not that I don't want to respond. Even I want to respond and interact with you, but I don't have the time for that. ऑफिस में बैठ के मैं तुम्हारा क्वेरीज रिजॉल्व करूंगा तो मेरा काम कौन करेगा? हु इज गोइंग टू डू माय वर्क? आई नीड टू मैनेज अ टीम ऑफ 5 people. So that is why whatever doubts you have, get it clarified in the classroom during the course itself or before your mock interview. I'll give you mock interviews, 2 mock interviews per person. देखते हैं कितने लोग आएंगे करने के लिए. So next topic will be here keyboard interaction, keyboard actions. We have seen mouse actions. Next will be here keyboard actions. So what will you do with your keyboard? Keyboard के साथ क्या क्या काम करते हैं तुम लोग? What all the actions that you will do with your keyboard? అర్థమైందా? అయితే ఏం చేస్తావు? కీబోర్డ్ తో ఏం చేస్తావు? Either you will press the key or you will release the key. That's it. You will not do anything. Pressing the key, or you will type at a maximum. So to type you will use send keys. You already know this. So send keys, comma send keys. So there are 2 types of send keys method. One without any parameter, where it will click and type in the element. I mean send keys of your string, where you can type, or else send keys of web element comma string. Which OOPS concept is this? This is the example of which OOPS concept? String కాదు. Which OOPS concept is this? Send keys array list ఎందుకు వస్తుంది నీకు? Why will you get an array list in send keys? Overloading. Same method name but different parameters. Send keys, both of them are send keys only, but एक में सिर्फ टेक्स्ट भेज रहे हो, एक में वेब एलिमेंट कमांड टेक्स्ट भेज रहे हो. Overloading. Classic example of overloading. So now to type you already know send keys करते तुम लोग टाइप करने के लिए, but keyboard shortcuts, copy, paste, cut, print, save, okay, new tab, control N, control shift N, incognito mode. If you want to do all these kind of keyboard shortcuts, then in that case press a key which is nothing but key down. इसको key down बोलते हैं. Key down is nothing but pressing the key. Next, release a key. ఏమంటారు దీన్ని? మరి రిలీజ్ కీ అంట, అంతే. కీ అప్ No brainer. Key up. That's it. That's it. These are the 3 keyboard actions that you will perform. Inte. So, in Selenium, if anyone asks you what are the mouse and keyboard actions, just explain these actions. More than enough. Click, click, context click, double click, move by offset, move to element, drag and drop by, click and hold, release. Send keys, key up, key down. Enough. More than enough. ఇది చెప్పిన అంటే నీ కాళ్ళకి దండం పెడతాడు వాడు. బాయ్ కప్ జాయిన్ అవుతే బాయ్ అని చెప్పాను. స్ట్రైట్ ఫార్వర్డ్. దట్స్ హౌ ఇట్ విల్ బి. నీ కాలు మొక్తారా ఎప్పుడు జాయిన్ అవుతావు రా అంటాడు వాడు. సో దట్స్ హౌ దే విల్ బి టేకింగ్ యర్ ఆన్సర్. ఎందుకంటే there is nothing much that you need to do. పెద్ద కోడ్ రాయమని నిన్నేమి ఈజ్ నాట్ గోయింగ్ టు ఆస్క్ యూ టు రైట్ ది కోడ్. వానికి తెలియదు కాబట్టి ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ వానికి వస్తే వాడు నీకేమని చెప్తాడు, వానికి రాదు బొక్క నీకేం చెప్తాడు వాడు. కానీ అంటే సమ్టైమ్స్ యూ విల్ సీ దట్ when I was having around 5 years of experience, right around COVID time, I was rejected by a girl in TCS who was having 3 years of experience. నీకెట్లా తెలుసా పిల్లకి 3 years experience అని? I have a very bad habit. What is that bad habit? Let me tell you what that bad habit is. When you get an interview invitation, okay, if you open the mail, you can see who are there in that invitation. CC. कौन है CC में? Who are there in CC? So what I will do? ఇప్పుడు చెప్పి ఏం చేస్తాను నేను? స్టాక్ नहीं करता भाई. I don't stalk. Why will I stalk? I'll just search for their profile on LinkedIn. If you want to call it as stalking, I don't care. Call it stalking. But when I get the meeting invite వస్తుంది నీకు. One day before the interview, you will get the meeting invite. So when you go before attending the meeting, you can simply check who is in the CC. But these days interviewers are becoming even more smart. They are not including them in CC. They are including them in BCC. Blinded carbon copy. I'll another link. BCC में जो है वो दिखते नहीं तुमको. So what happened? I did not stalk her before the interview. Somehow I attended the interview. She was asking me questions. I answered all the questions. Half an hour later, I got the feedback that I was not selected. I was like, okay, why did I not get selected? Who is this person? Why did she not select me? అన్నట్టుగా అంటే యాటిట్యూడ్ నిబ్బా ఉంటున్నాయి కదా అప్పుడు జరా ఎవడు రాది మనల్ని ఎవడు రాపేది అన్నట్టుగా. I was going and reviewing why I got rejected. I opened the CC and I saw that girl's name and I searched on in incognito mode on LinkedIn. ఎందుకంటే నువ్వు LinkedInలోకి వెళ్ళి డైరెక్ట్ సెర్చ్ చేసినట్టు అమ్మాయికి నోటిఫికేషన్ వస్తుంది. She'll get a notification if you search her profile. So and so person has viewed your profile అని చెప్పి మళ్ళీ మనకెందుకు అదంతా అని చెప్పి అని I stalked it on incognito mode. So I realized ఆ పిల్ల నా తర్వాత నేను గ్రాడ్యుయేట్ అయిన 2 నెలలకు గ్రాడ్యుయేట్ అయిన ఆ పిల్ల. I graduated after my graduation, 2 years after my graduation, she graduated, she took the interview and she rejected me. I was like, ఇక్కడ ఓన్లీ ఇజ్జత్ పోయింది ఇక్కడ. అసలు నా ఇజ్జత్ పోయిందా? ఏమైంది అసలు ఇక్కడ? What happened actually? So you will get rejected by your juniors also sometimes. You should not be too critical about you. Reject అయితావు నువ్వు, తప్పదు. ఆ పిల్లకి ఏం నచ్చలేదు. You never know, maybe she did not like my attitude in the interview. అమ్మా ఇక్కడికి వచ్చాడంటే మనల్నే తొక్కుతాడు వీడు అనుకుందో ఏమనుకుందో మరి. I don't know what she might have thought of me. So you will get all these kind of people in the interview. The concept, the reason why I am telling you is, never expect that your interviewer is going to be an extraordinary person who knows everything. He might, sometimes your interview might also be an idiot. అంటే ఈ పిల్ల గురించి నేను అంటలేను ఇక్కడ. ఐఎమ్ నాట్ సేయింగ్ ఎనీథింగ్ టు దిస్ గర్ల్. జస్ట్ టెలింగ్ యూ బికాస్ వన్స్ ఐ అటెండ్ అన్ ఇంటర్వ్యూ వేర్ హీ వాజ్ ఆస్కింగ్ మీ స్ప్రింగ్ బోట్ క్వశ్చన్స్. ఐ లైక్, అరే నీకేమన్నా మనిషి ఆరా దున్నపోతాను, అన్నం తింటున్నావు గడ్డి తింటున్నావు ఆరా నువ్వు అనుకుంటున్నాను. గ్యాస్ కారే క్యా బైల్. ఐ అటెండెడ్ మా Selenium interview, you are asking me spring boot? What kind of an idiot are you? I was like, I don't know spring boot, that's not my expertise, that's not my area of work, that's not my domain. No, you should be aware of spring boot. I said, I can't, I don't know spring boot. You are wasting your time and wasting my time, Anna. No, you should have